Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to complete your daily check-in. So each day you are going to check in with me, and that's kind of how I'm going to take attendance and connect with you guys and check in with you each day. So you may not maybe work on schoolwork every single day, but whether you're working on schoolwork or not that day, I do need you to check in with me Monday through Friday and just show me that you're here and so I can connect with you. So the way that you'll do that is each day I'll post a daily check-in. So right here at the top of your stream it says Mrs. Valgarino posted a new assignment daily check-in. And then it says it's due by the very end of the day tomorrow. You can find this on the top of our stream or you can find it in classwork under daily check-in. Okay, it is listed as an assignment because it is something that I want you to do every day. So you could access it from the stream or from classwork. So when I click on it, it says answer the question of the day to check in with Mrs. Valgarino. So you go ahead and we can view our assignment. We are going to click on that link right there and it'll take you to the daily check-in. So this is for tomorrow. I'm posting this Sunday. Our first day is tomorrow, Monday, March 30th. So you want to make sure it says the right date. You're going to type your name in and then read the daily check-in. It says, what is one thing you miss most about being at school? So you think about that question and you type it where it says your answer. I'm going to say I really miss seeing my students and my classmates, or my teammates, so other teachers, the most. I miss talking, laughing, and learning with them. Okay? So then after you're done with that, you would just submit it like any other assignment. And I'd go ahead and click turn in. Turn in. So that took me less than a minute to do my daily check-in. So that's all I need from you guys is once a day, whether you're working on things or not, I need you to check in with me and do that daily check-in. After that, you can just go right back to your home page. You could work on some assignments or work on something else at that time. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. Thank you.